Do you ever feel like an outsider, craving connection but constantly hitting invisible barriers? Or have you ever wished you could walk into a room and command the attention of everyone there? If so, you're not alone. Whether you're a man or woman, the universal desire for meaningful relationships can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you there's a way to captivate people's attention and leave them wanting more of your company? Stay with me because this guide will give you the 10 secrets to becoming a magnetic force that attracts and retains genuine interest from others. 1. Master the art of genuine curiosity. Curiosity is the fuel that powers human connection. People are drawn to those who show a sincere interest in their lives, perspectives, and experiences. Cultivate the habit of asking thoughtful questions and actively listening to the responses. This simple act creates a space where others feel valued, understood, and intrigued by your desire to learn about them. However, genuine curiosity extends beyond mere questioning. It's about truly embracing the uniqueness of each individual you encounter. Approach every interaction with an open mind, free from judgment or preconceived notions. Allow yourself to be surprised, challenged, and inspired by the diversity of human experiences. When you let go of assumptions, you open the door to deeper connections. Remember, curiosity is a two-way street. Share pieces of yourself as well, inviting others to explore your world. Strike a balance between asking and answering, creating an engaging dialogue that fosters mutual understanding and appreciation. This exchange of genuine curiosity builds a foundation of trust and respect, making others crave your company. 2. Cultivate unshakable confidence without arrogance. There's an undeniable allure to confidence, but it's a delicate balance. True confidence isn't about boastfulness or self-absorption. It's about embracing your worth without needing external validation. Develop a deep understanding of your strengths, values, and goals, and let that inner belief radiate outward. Confident individuals carry themselves with poise and self-assurance, yet they remain grounded and approachable. They don't feel the need to dominate conversations or prove themselves constantly. Instead, they create space for others to shine, secure in their own value. This humility and openness to different perspectives make their company all the more desirable. Cultivate confidence by celebrating your accomplishments, embracing your flaws, and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals who uplift and encourage you. When you exude a quiet confidence that comes from within, others will naturally gravitate towards your magnetic presence, seeking the sense of calm and assurance you emanate. 3. Adopt an openness to being vulnerable. In a world that often celebrates perfection, vulnerability can feel like a weakness. However, the ability to open up and share your authentic self is a profound strength that fosters deep connections. When you have the courage to be vulnerable, you create an environment of trust and emotional safety. Vulnerability doesn't mean sharing every intimate detail of your life indiscriminately. It's about selectively revealing parts of yourself that resonate with the person you're connecting with. It could be sharing a personal struggle, admitting a mistake, or expressing your hopes and fears. This level of transparency invites others to reciprocate, forming a bond of mutual understanding. Remember, vulnerability is a two-way street. As you open up, create a safe space for others to do the same. Listen without judgment, offer empathy, and honor the trust placed in you. When you embrace vulnerability with grace and compassion, you become a refuge for others, someone they can turn to for genuine connection and support. 4. Develop an engaging storytelling ability. Humans are wired to connect through stories. The ability to weave captivating narratives is a powerful tool for capturing attention and leaving a lasting impression. Storytelling isn't just about recounting events, it's about painting vivid pictures with words, evoking emotions, and creating shared experiences. To become a master storyteller, observe the world around you with a keen eye for detail. Notice the subtle nuances, the unexpected twists, and the emotional undercurrents that make experiences rich and multidimensional. Then craft your stories with descriptive language, engaging pacing, and relatable characters. But storytelling isn't a one-way street. Invite others to share their stories as well, creating a dynamic exchange of experiences and perspectives. Ask thoughtful questions, empathize with their emotions, and celebrate their triumphs and challenges. When you create a space for shared storytelling, you forge connections that transcend mere conversation. 5. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and navigate the complex world of human emotions, both your own and those of others. It's a crucial skill for building meaningful connections as it allows you to respond with empathy, compassion, and sensitivity. Begin by developing self-awareness. Take the time to understand your emotional patterns, triggers, and responses. Learn to identify and manage your emotions in a healthy way rather than suppressing or lashing out. This self-knowledge will enable you to better regulate your reactions and communicate with clarity and authenticity. Equally important is the ability to read and respond to the emotions of others. Observe body language, tone of voice, and other nonverbal cues to gauge how someone is truly feeling. Offer validation and support when needed, and celebrate their joys and successes. When you demonstrate emotional intelligence, you create a safe and nurturing environment where others feel seen, heard, and understood. 6. Be humorous without causing harm. Laughter has a magical way of breaking down barriers and fostering connection. A well-timed joke or a playful wit can instantly lighten the mood, ease tension, and create a sense of shared enjoyment. However, it's crucial to strike the right balance. Humor should bring people together, not divide or offend. Develop a keen sense of observational humor, finding the humorous moments in everyday situations without mocking or belittling others. Learn to gently poke fun at yourself and embrace self-deprecating humor, as this vulnerability endears you to others and makes you more relatable. Above all, be mindful of your audience and their sensitivities. Avoid humor that relies on harmful stereotypes, discriminatory language, or insensitive subject matter. Instead, focus on creating moments of levity that bring joy and bring people closer together, fostering an environment where everyone feels comfortable and included. 7. Practice active listening. In a world filled with distractions and competing voices, the ability to truly listen is a rare and valuable skill. Active listening goes beyond merely hearing words. It involves fully engaging with the speaker, processing their message, and demonstrating your understanding. To become an active listener, eliminate distractions and give the speaker your undivided attention. Maintain eye contact, nod, and provide verbal cues to show you're following along. Ask clarifying questions when needed, and paraphrase key points to ensure you've grasped their meaning. This level of engagement not only fosters understanding, but also makes the speaker feel valued and heard. Remember, active listening isn't just about waiting for your turn to speak. It's about being present, suspending judgment, and seeking to genuinely understand the other person's perspective. When you master this skill, you create an atmosphere of trust and respect, making others feel safe to open up and share their thoughts and feelings. 8. Radiate positivity without toxic positivity. There's an undeniable magnetism to positivity, but it's essential to strike the right balance. While toxic positivity, the dismissal of genuine struggles and emotions, can be harmful, a genuine positive outlook can uplift and inspire those around you. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude, focusing on the blessings and opportunities in your life, no matter how small. Celebrate the victories of others and approach challenges with resilience and a solutions-oriented mindset. However, be mindful not to minimize or invalidate others' experiences. Instead, offer empathy and a listening ear. When you radiate authentic positivity, you become a beacon of hope and encouragement for others. Your optimism and resilience can inspire them to overcome their own obstacles and embrace a more positive perspective. In turn, they'll be drawn to your company, seeking the warmth and upliftment you provide. 9. Embrace authenticity. In a world that often values conformity, embracing your authentic self is a powerful act of courage and self-acceptance. When you unapologetically embrace your unique quirks, passions, and perspectives, you create a magnetic presence that captivates others. True authenticity involves shedding the masks we wear and being vulnerable enough to show the world our true selves. It's about owning your flaws, celebrating your strengths, and refusing to compromise your values or beliefs to fit in. When you live authentically, you exude a confidence and self-assurance that others find irresistible. Moreover, authenticity breeds trust and respect. When others see that you are unapologetically yourself, they feel safe to be their authentic selves in your presence. This creates a space for genuine connection, free from pretense or judgment. Embrace your individuality and watch as others are drawn to your refreshing honesty and realness. 10. Be mindful. In our fast-paced, constantly connected world, it's easy to become consumed by distractions and miss out on the present moment. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your undivided attention to the here and now, cultivating a heightened awareness of your surroundings, thoughts, and emotions. When you are truly present and engaged in the moment, you create a sense of intimacy and connection with those around you. You become attuned to the subtleties of their expressions, body language, and emotional cues, allowing you to respond with empathy and understanding. This level of attentiveness makes others feel seen, heard, and valued. Mindfulness also helps you savor the richness of each experience, allowing you to appreciate the nuances that might otherwise go unnoticed. By being fully present, you create memories and shared experiences that forge deeper bonds with others, leaving them craving more of the joy and fulfillment your company brings. In short, cultivating meaningful connections is a journey of self-discovery, empathy, and authenticity. By embracing the principles outlined in this guide, you'll become a magnetic force that captivates and inspires others. Remember, true connection isn't about manipulation or games, it's about creating an environment of trust, respect, and mutual understanding. When you master these skills, you'll find that people will naturally gravitate towards your company, seeking the warmth, joy, and fulfillment you have to offer. Embrace your authentic self and watch as the world opens up to you, one genuine connection at a time. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.